Today I'm going to be installing this Kimpex exhaust onto this 1986 Yamaha Moto 225. First, let's hear the stock muffler. So this original muffler was already patched here when I got it. Then it blew a hole out on the bottom, and then it blew a hole out on the back as well. And there's also a bunch of rust pinholes starting to form here and here around the end. So this thing's pretty much done, and all the baffles are loose inside now. There was no saving this. The dimensions are pretty much the same. The Kimpex is maybe an inch longer, and it doesn't have the first mounting hole here, but it'll work. So it's installed, and that's all you have to do is just slip it on right there and throw a bolt on it right there. Now it is really close to the rear tire when the suspension compresses here, so it may actually contact right around here on these blocks of treads. So I'm just gonna kind of push it in and bend this bracket a little bit. There we go. Gives me about an inch of clearance. All right, let's hear how she sounds. It also came with this spark arrestor. We'll see how it sounds with that.